Hello and welcome back to Dune Master's channel. In previous video I rebuilt this power steering pump for a Mazda B series, which was fun and interesting since it was my first time rebuilding a pump. And in this episode I will be rebuilding gears for the power steering, and I have all other parts to install on my Mazda. They didn't come stock with a power steering, and it sucks not to have one. It's absolutely annoying in tight spots. Alright, first things first. This is the kit that I have for it. Looks dirty. Let's clean it up a little bit. Huh. It has bearings in it. I don't know, did I just fuck up big time? Probably. Interesting. Got some needle bearings on the inside. Going to fish out all the ball bearings. And hopefully I can put them back where they were. Geez, there's a lot of bearings. Or a lot of balls. I don't think I'll be getting anywhere until I remove this pitman arm right here. And I don't have pitman arm puller. I have to go buy one. So I'm going to the store. Stay right there. Don't move. Took it right off. Finally. You can see the needle bearings in there. So there's a gasket here, and this is supposed to come up. And the ball bearings that fell out earlier, they supposedly passed through this. I've been reading online articles about this steering gear, and the ball bearings basically go in here, and you drop them in a warm gear, and they're different sizes. They basically go like, they go small, large, small, large, small, large. Okay, maybe I was wrong. It has a somewhat regular shaped seal. Change this out. So there's two pieces under. Okay, that was easy enough. King ball bearings. Got it out. So I got this seal. This is the inner seal, and this was sitting on top, the inner and outer seal. But this one came in the kit, and it doesn't seem like it's flexible, and it's the same inner diameter as this seal that was sitting on top, and this one is flexible. So I'm not sure if I can get this inside there. If I can't flex it, how am I supposed to get it in there? So most likely I'll just reuse this outer dust. All right, I finally got it in. And I'm going to reuse this. There's no way I can get it in there. It looks like this side right here with an O-ring goes over here. Okay, so we got this. I have to rewatch my videos, but I think these bolts go in here. What does this bolt actually do? So it looks like it's moving this shaft in and out. I would have to mess around with the adjustments for that. Well, let's finish up this side. Yeah, like this. So probably the longer side goes in here and the shorter side goes out. Makes sense. I wonder if I can just stack these things. Boom. It's in. The new dust cover. So it looks like this is the inside and this is the outside. Now, I made a mistake. I attached this bracket earlier incorrectly. What earlier was facing up, but this should be the correct configuration. You have this little opening right here for this guy, and I discovered that when I was trying to put it back in the truck. You have your duty nylock looking nut. It has been a chaotic rebuild of the steering gear, but I've accomplished it. Thanks for sticking around with me during this steering gear rebuild. I have a new pitman arm on it that I still need to tighten up. Hopefully I don't have to adjust it too much when I put it on my truck. But sometime soon, I'm going to post a video where I will install it to my truck, so stay tuned. If It's already up. It should probably show up here in this corner. If not, stay tuned. Thanks for watching. Give the video a thumbs up, subscribe. I hope you have a good day. Bye.